Hello and a warm welcome to all of you at DevOps Enterprise Summit US. Let me give a short introduction about myself. So I am Meenaakshi, product landscape owner at SAP Labs in India. I have close to 2 decades of experience in service and product delivery management, where I have led several digital transformation projects within my organization. I love to follow the digital transformation journeys across industries, across organization, and to speak a lot at all these kind of similar forums about the information and experiences that I gain out of my journey. And one of the topic that has more than often come out of most paramount importance is the implementation of a solid IT service management strategy within organizations for a successful digital transformation. So today I would like to take this opportunity to provide a short overview about the evolution of IT service management framework in itself and take a little bit more deeper understanding about the 3 most well-known IT service management methodologies widely adopted across organizations, which is DevOps, SRE, and ITIL. What are the vision, value, and the guiding principles they offer? How do they compare with each other? What are the commonalities and where are the key differences? And finally, as an organization, how can one decide which methodology would, in alignment with its strategic goals and objectives, best fit for their requirement? And why is there a need to continuously adapt and adopt? Now, if you look at traditional IT, it was seen more as a service and support organization delivering technology solutions. But in the current era of industrial revolution, IT is no more delivering only technology solutions to business, but it is the business in itself. IT and business is fast converging. The digital services that are being offered today are all customer oriented and value driven, and they need to be managed in a way that they are not only supporting business in achieving and fulfilling their requirements, but is also supporting in their growth. Because your product will have value for customers and for business only when it is able to fulfill the expected services and is able to provide the needed outcome which the business expects. So how do we know whether or not our services provide or deliver that business value to the customer? What is this business value? Business value is that differentiated experience which the customers would get on consuming our product and services. And as an organization, it is extremely important to continuously and constantly keep a check on whether or not we have been delivering value to the customer. Value could be in terms of cost value, it could be in terms of experience value, it could be in terms of platform value, where you are offering some product or service which is at a relatively much lesser cost for the business, for the consumers, or you are providing such an experience to the consumers that they are ready to pay additional cost just for that wow experience that they get. Or it could be just such a vast and robust platform that we are offering that a customer would not want to go to or switch to any other platform or service. But how do we know this? How do we know whether this is adding, our product and service is adding value to the customer? How do we know what would be the future demands and needs for the customer? This requires data. This requires analysis. Because only when we have data can we take informed decision. And this is where we need support of all the digital tools and technologies, AI, ML, several reportings, dashboards, metrics that is available. And armed with this information, once we have this data, then we need to really think and decide, are we doing the right thing? We need to be hyper aware. We need to be able to take informed decisions so that we can execute fast on it. We need to be really demonstrating that digital ability because we do not know the current need of the customer may no more be valid tomorrow. And we have to continuously adapt and adopt according to the business requirements. Because if we will not, then our competitors would do that. And that would mean then the end of business for us. And when we know that, yes, we are on the right path, then we really need to understand, are we doing the things right? Will we be able to really deliver what we have gathered based on the information collected and have taken an informed decision, do a fast execution and deliver that to the customers, to the business? This is where we have the several guiding principles, the processes and technologies of IT service management, and the different frameworks available to guide us and support us in faster delivering our services in velocity and with quality. And be it any IT service management framework that we use today, Lean, DevOps, SRE, Agile, ITIL, finally, it all boils down to delivering value to customers. So let us now, with this background, take one step deeper to understand how DevOps, ITIL, and SRE frameworks compare to each other and what do they have to offer. Now, DevOps is an umbrella concept that advocates the culmination of different teams working together as one system. Yeah, it involves people from across the organization, from different teams, be it development, design, UI, security, documentation, testing, operations, all the teams that contribute towards the value chain in the value stream, all the teams to come together to work as one common team. Yeah, this involves then right from planning to building to continuous integration